In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app. This one, Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to Access App Management, select Default Apps, click on Home App here, and choose Launcher Pro. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to access the same default apps. Settings, go into Home app and click on your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!